Hello, this is Mark from tradinform.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate linear regression standard deviation channels. Now, the linear regression and standard deviation channels are one of my very favourite technical indicators. I use them all the time in my strategies, in particular to give me an overall view of the long-term trend of the market and also whether it is overbought or oversold. Now, before I demonstrate how to calculate the linear regression channels, you can get this spreadsheet absolutely for free and some other great Excel trading resources, including how to calculate Fibonacci retracements, Renko charts, and the Connors RSI. Now, there is a link on the screen at the moment if you would like to get the spreadsheet absolutely for free. In this example, I'm going to demonstrate how to calculate a 50-period linear regression line with standard deviation channels. And we can do that quite easily with just starting on from the historical price data that I have on the screen. Now, to calculate firstly the linear regression line, we need two pieces of information. We need the slope and the intercept. And to get the slope and the intercept, we can use built-in Excel functions. So we type in equals index and then line ST, open the brackets, and we highlight the cells, the number of periods that we want to use. Now I'm highlighting 50 closing prices. So this is 50 bars worth of closing prices. I'm going to close that bracket. I'm going to put in a comma and put in 1. Now if I enter that, we have the slope of our channels. Now, because I'm going to be using this same range of closes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click into the bar here and put in $1 here, and this means that we're going to keep to the same column. If I press enter, I can now drag this across to the next cell, change the 1 to a 2, and we have the intercepts. You can see this is very quickly done. We have the slope and the intercept. I copy it across again, and I'm going to use the same range of closing prices to calculate the standard deviation. Formula we use for this, ST, dev PA, press enter. You can see one of the annoying things of Excel. Let's do that again. Make sure we highlight the cell and just that cell, ST dev PA, and there we have the standard deviation. So we have all the building blocks that we need to calculate our channels. Now, the formula for the linear regression is very simple. We put in equals and we open some brackets and we take the slope and we multiply it by the number of periods. And you can see here I'm using an offset cell here. So to make that the same for all the formulas below, I press F4 and it makes it a fixed reference cell. And then we add to that the intercept. So we have the linear regression central line here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is do channels, and this again is quite straightforward. We're going to start off with our central line and we're going to add to that, open the brackets, the standard deviation multiplied by the offset. So for the lower line, I'm using an offset of -1. And once again, I want the lower line here to be fixed, so I press F4. I want the offset to be fixed, so I press F4. And do exactly the same thing for the upper line. So I'm going to get the central line. I'm going to get the central line. I'm going to add to it, open brackets, standard deviation multiplied by the offset, close the brackets, make this a fixed reference cell, and there we have our linear regression central line, lower and upper lines. Now I highlight all of these, double click below, and there we have all the formulas for all the values below. And so that is how we calculate the linear regression line with standard deviation channels. I hope you found this video useful. If you would like more information and to see more content like this about calculating technical indicators and indeed backtesting your own trading strategies using Excel, please hit the like button and please subscribe to this channel. And for more information about trading the financial markets, about backtesting using Excel, please go to www.tradeinformed.com.